Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 26th, 2020. Yes, and this one will be number 1803. Yes, it's 803. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one with 4 stars has 24. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan. 7 in this, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. An 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle columns and the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 3, 4, 6. In this row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have a 1 and an 8 in this big square, so no 8 and 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 3 missing numbers in this row should be the numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. The 4, we see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. And the 5. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5s in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And 1 box left for the 4. Yes, alright. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers. And 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then. So 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6s in these 2 boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. The 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes, so the 9 could be here, could be there. The 8, we see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes, so the 8 could be here, could be there. And the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 7 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 9 as a pair. Alright, so I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. And the 8 goes here. I've eliminated the 8. Alright, so now we have in the middle row, middle column. The middle column, 1 box left. 1 box left should be the 4. Those two numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Yeah. So in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column. The third column is 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 5. That means those 3 boxes, the 1, the 6, and the 4 are missing in this big square. 164, 164. We see here 1 and a 6. No, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Right. Then 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Look, we have a 3 and a 5 here. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. So 1 digit left. Should be the 6. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 2, 9 and 2. Let me mark them for you. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. No. Let me mark them. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Alright. So we have here the 3 missing numbers, 7, 6, and 2. So we have a 6 in this row in one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 6. So 7, 6, and a 2. So 7, 6, and a 2. 7, 6, and 2, 6, 2. Yeah. Need to wait. Alright, how about these 3? The 2 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 3 is missing. Look, we have a 3 and a 5 here. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. The 3 and the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left. Oh, wait, we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 6. 1 box left in the 3rd column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, number 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in this box. There 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 7. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 here. This should be a 6 and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 6, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes again. Yes, is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? I don't think so. Maybe rather 1 or 2 stars. Anyway, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. And take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now.